Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn English and speak English confidently and very fluently. What you have to do, you have to follow some tips and tricks which I'm going to give you. But first you need to please subscribe my channel, and if you like my videos, please do like and subscribe it. Let's get to the tips and start it. Number one tip is that please don't think in English. If you are going to think in English, then first you are going to translate the lesson or translate the sentence in English, which you have actually in your native language, and it will make you slows down. If the process will make you slows down, then you will gonna fumble and the process will gonna stuck. So for that reason, what you have to do, you have to take out some small words and then make sentences from it, like I want eating, I want to sleep, I want to go, I want to eat, whatever in your mind you can go with that, and there you can have the fluency to speak it out. So use such words, such small words that can make you fluent and that will not make you think about it. So for that reason, you should not think about it, you should go with the flow, and whatever in your mind, just throw it out. Describe what you see around you in English language, so it will make you confident as well. The tip is that shadowing technique. Trust me, it is really very powerful technique. Just listen to it. Okay, what I am going to say, listen it, copy it and repeat it immediately. That will make you fluent in English, and it will also make you confident. So please go with that as well. Shadowing technique is really very helpful, guys. Try it with YouTube videos, or you can choose podcast and any reels which are in English. So you need to consume that context in English, and it will gonna help you in making you confident as well. Please do it for 10 minutes daily, and it will help you interchange yourself into that language as well. Tip is that learn useful phrases, not single words, because single words will never help you in making the sentences. But if you are going to learn simple phrases, that will make you that will help you in making the sentences very well. Like for example, like if you are in a class and your teacher will gonna speak a lecture or say anything, and if you don't understand that, at the same time you will gonna say that, can you repeat this please, can you repeat this please. So there, if you have only one word in your mind, repeat. So how can you make the sentence fluently? You cannot make the sentence, because it will hard for you to make the sentence. So please go for phrases. Didn't understand, or that sounds great. So these phrases make help you in making sentences very well. And to my thinking, phrases makes you speak natural. It looks natural. So you can use these phrases instead of single words. So go for that as well. Another great tip is for you is that you need to speak for 10 minutes on daily basis, even if you don't have a partner. And if you have a mirror, so go for that. Just stand in front of it and speak out your mind. And obviously, if you can speak fluently, you can write down the dialogues and speak in front of the mirror. That will help you the words to take out from your mind, and you can speak very fast as well. And you can also do one thing, that you can record your voice. And if you are going to read a book, so you have to read aloud and try to record your voice for 10 minutes, and after that listen to your voice. What mistakes did you have you done, so you can make it correct after some time by listening it, by obviously doing the shadowing technique as well. I must say that confidence comes from repetition. So for that reason, you just need to speak it out your mind, speak out your heart out every single day for 10 minutes with everyone. If you have a partner, you can talk to them. If you don't have, you can stand in front of mirror. And if you don't have a mirror at your home, so you can talk to your kids. So this is the easy way you can speak out your mind, and the words which have in your mind you can throw out at the same time. And obviously at that point you will feel that you are more confident, and you can speak to your kids, so that would actually boost your confidence level at that time also. One more tip I will definitely give you guys, that please speak simple English. There is no need to go for such vocabulary which is very exhausted, which is very challenging for you. Sometimes the words in your mind, they are really very hard to communicate. So for that reason, go for simple language. Like for instance, I'm exhausted, I am extremely exhausted. So there is no need to say like that. You can say like that, I'm very tired. You need to speak out clearly and confidently, so the other person will gonna understand what you actually want to tell. So go for simple and slow motion English conversation as well. Trust me, simple is equal to confident. So please go for simple language when it comes to speaking. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, because some people, they are actually afraid of making mistakes when it comes to speaking, because even native speakers makes grammar mistakes. Actual Fluency comes from speaking, not from perfect grammar. Be brave. Even when you make mistakes, it will boost your confidence. It will make you more confident in real life. Number last and number least tip is that not the least, but I will gonna say that I'm going to wrap up the video. So for that, the tip is that what you have to do is that you need to surround yourself with English. Okay, what you have to do, you have to change your phone language in English, watch English videos with subtitles. That will definitely make you help you grow in English. Follow English pages and listen to English songs. So in that way, your brain learns automatically. So these are the tips I have to tell you for today in the video. So if you liked my video, so please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. I will come with another interesting entertaining video with lots of fun for you guys, so you will actually like to learn English, and obviously you will feel more confident and more fluent in communicating your thoughts. So get in touch with me. Till then, bye.